भाशिणी हे A1 आधारित भास अणकार साधन बेगीनूच व्हडा प्रमाणात सुरू जातले. आमी पयसुल्ल्या वाठारांक जोडपाक सुमार 15 अब्ज अमेरिकन डॉलर्सची गुंतवणूक करतात, जे अजूनय डिजिटल जोडणीच्या आवाठा भायर आसात, अशी माहिती संचारण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि IT मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव हांणी दिली.
We believe in the philosophy of Antyodaya, which means inclusive growth. Much before the Western world started talking about inclusive growth, we in the country, we in India have, for centuries, we have been, as a society, as a country, we have always believed in caring for all, sharing our whatever we have with everybody in the society, and making sure that the poorest of the poor is also treated equally compared to the people who are having more resources. This is reflected in Prime Minister Modi ji's programs in every sector. We brought a significantly large number of marginalized families into the banking sector by opening 450 million new bank accounts. People who didn't have bank accounts, who were left out of the banking world, who were left out of the new economy, they were all brought into the banking sector, created 135 crore, which is 1.3 billion digital identities, and 800 million people connected by 4G, broadband, telecom service, wireless service. The combination of these three has given a extremely powerful way to include everybody in the digital growth that we see today. We are not stopping here. We are investing close to 15 billion US dollars in connecting the far-flung areas, the marginalized sections, the areas which are still out of the ambit of the digital connectivity in the country. We also have a very diverse society, very diverse culture, and to bridge the gap between people who speak one language with the people who speak other languages, we decided to create a AI-based language translation system called Bhashini. It is undergoing very good tests. The system is phenomenal. Anybody who has seen an Indian rupee note would be perplexed to see 18 different languages in which 18 different scripts in which every word is written. That's the diversity of our country. So how to bridge that gap of language? So we have created a technology tool that is getting tested in a very nice way. Since it is an AI tool, it is getting trained. Very soon, in few months, we would be launching it in a large scale.